So I told you guys, with the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, Google is going all out. Yeah, we saw the design, we heard the specifications, and it is official that the Pixel 6 is coming with Material You out of the box. See, the best part about Material You and Android 12 is not the design but the privacy settings. So in case you haven't heard, Google got sued by Arizona's attorney for illegal collection of location data, and they intentionally hid the privacy settings, which is quite shocking. Moreover, even after user opted out for location sharing option, they use Wi-Fi and third-party application to steal location data. So this all came as a huge shocking news. But now with the Android 12 and Material You, they are fixing their mistake. So during Google I/O, they gave some huge hints in front of all that in the new privacy settings dashboard, you all can see the applications using your location and exactly at what time. This includes all the Google applications which have access to your location data, and you can prevent the applications from using your location data directly from the settings itself. See, in addition to this, seeing iOS giving users an option to disable IDFA and also providing a pop-up message which application is using your IDFA. So as seeing all this, Google is taking a huge action. So with the Pixel 6, when you opt out for IDFA, they will remove the advertising ID with string of zeros, which means third-party application won't be able to show you ads even on the basis of your past interest. In addition to this, all your past data will get removed from third-party application advertising ID. So after all forcing Google to change privacy settings, they are finally taking some decent steps. Some case leak images coming in, and it shows Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. You can see both have got laser autofocus above the main module, which is amazing cause one can shoot better and fast focus images. There's also a microphone on top right, so I guess they are focusing much on shooting better videos this time. Yeah, the Pixel phones are for sure great in terms of still photography, but the video comes out not so great in comparison to Samsung and Apple, and that is changing this year. Final news coming in from Korea. ET News says Samsung is selling UTG, which is ultra thin glass for folding phone, to Google. So the Pixel Fold will use OLED folding display, and this paired with UTG, that is gonna be surely a great combination. So which one are you excited for, Pixel 6 or Pixel Fold? Your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.